Okay students, now I will explain you words and its synonyms. 10 words and its synonyms are here and it's according to the parts of speech. So I will read it and explain you one by one. Synonyms, same meaning, different words can be nouns, verb and adjectives which can use in sentences for different situations. As explained you that synonym means same meanings but different word, and it can be noun, it can be verb, it can be adjective which we use in different situations, and also for different purposes. Okay ji, so I will take a start with the first one, admire and praise. Admire means that you admire the person's quality, and praising means that you praised the person's action. ठीक है? Okay जी. Second one is allow, permit. It's a verb. So to allow is not to stop. Allow means किसी को रोकना नहीं, allow कर देना. And to permit is to give a decided consent. Permit means that कि decide करना, that rather we have to permit him or not, then उस decided consent को बोलते हैं to permit, to give permission about something. Okay, third one is alter, change, verb. To alter is to make some difference in a thing. Alter means किसी एक चीज़ के रद्दो बदल करना, यानी कि to have alter of something other thing. And to change means completely उस चीज़ को change कर देना. ठीक है? Answer, reply. The fourth one is answer and reply. It's a verb. Answer means we answer a question. Whatever question asked to us, we answer it. But reply means to an attack. That we have received some attack and we have been asked something harsh, or you can say it's like a attack. So we will reply it. Okay? Fifth one is avenge and revenge. Avenge is unselfish and revenge is selfish. Avenge means कि जिसमें आप खुद गर्ज नहीं होते. सेल्फिश, व्हाट यू मीन बाय सेल्फिश? टू बी थिंक अबाउट योर सेल्फ, टू बी इन योर सेल्फ, अपने अंदर ही होना या अपने बारे में ही सोचना. ठीक है? तो एवेंज इज अनसेल्फिश, यानी कि अपने बारे में नहीं, मतलब हर तरीके से सोचना, सेल्फिश ना होना. एंड रिवेंज इज सेल्फिश, बदला लेना. आई हैव टू टेक अ रिवेंज. ठीक है? तो यानी कि उसमें आप सेल्फिश हो जाते, यू फॉरगेट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, इवन एनी रिलेशन ऑल्सो. ओके जी. The sixth one is bring or fetch. It's a verb. Bring means bring a book, like I have asked you. ठीक है? And fetch means go and go and bring a water of, like if I said you, please fetch me a glass of water. For that purpose, you have to go and you have to come back with a glass of water. So fetch means to go and come back with. Okay? The seventh one is regret or sorry. Regret means regret for our fault. Regret, guilt feel होना. And sorry for others' fault. But commonly we use sorry whenever we do, if we do anything wrong, we say sorry. But in verb sense, regret is a good word for our fault. And sorry means for other fault. ठीक है? दूसरों के faults के लिए जो है वो sorry किया जाता है. Eighth one is battle, war. Battle and war is a noun. Battle means कि एक जंग होना. ठीक है? एक यानी कि कोई भी जैसे एक जंग हुई और वो फिनिश हो गई. A war is a series of battles. Like you have heard First World War, Second World War. So in First and Second World War, it's a series of battle between different countries, among different countries. Okay, ninth one is custom, habit. Custom to a society, यानी कि जो कस्टम एंड ट्रेडिशंस होते हैं रिफर्स टू सोसाइटी, एंड हैबिट रिफर्स टू अ इंडिविजुअल. आपकी कोई एक इंडिविजुअली पर्सनल एक हैबिट होना, आदत होना. द लास्ट वन इज एडिक्टेड, डिवोटेड. एडिक्टेड इज यूज्ड इन बैड सेंस, लाइक आप किसी चीज़ के एडिक्ट हो जाओ. आप कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीते हैं, आप उसके एडिक्ट हो जाते हैं, आपको ऑल द टाइम कोल्ड ड्रिंक की नीड लगती है, तो वो आता है एडिक्टेड में. And devoted in good sense, like आप अपने profession, like I am a teacher, so it's my aim, it's my hope that I should be devoted all the time towards my profession. मैं अपने profession से जो है वो devoted रहूँ. So these are the words with meaning. So what you have to do now, you have to make sentence of each words and their synonyms. You have to use every word according to its meaning and parts of speech. Okay students, I hope that you will do it in a very proper way. Copy these words and synonyms meaning, and then you have to make the sentences. Thank you.